To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. I have another hair video for y'all, and today's hair video is brought to you by Claya. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I'll have it on the screen. They sent me this hair. It's not from Amazon, so I'll definitely have the link and everything down in the description with all the deets on this wig. I'm pretty sure this is a 13x4 20-inch curly hair. The lace was really good, as you can tell. If you want to see how I styled this and how the finished result is, definitely keep on watching. Sorry for the little underpit area, but yeah, if you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair beauty, that type of content. If you're interested, head on over to my channel, hit that like, subscribe, all those buttons. It helps me so much. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I'll put my little promos, of course, in this video as well. And yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna ramble on for too long. Let's just get right into this video. Bye.
Smoking on crushed leaves, they turn their back on everything we built and they must bleed. I've seen splatter hit the snow and the blood freeze. Scraps over territory they know we must keep. Get home and white Air Forces get brushed clean. Back when my mama would interrupt sleep to tell me hurry up cause the bus leaves. Summertime heat waves, I used to just cut sleeves. My shorty really love me, man, she want me to cut keys. I can't do that normal type of life, is it just me? Niggas steady try to ride the wave, but it's rough seas. I'm losing enough sleep, dealing with envy. And the news that they sent for me got the block in a frenzy. It's on needs like it's trendy. Running around from Laurier to Mackenzie when the city's empty. Yeah, early 20s, but I want 50s, hundreds, not pennies. I need plenty, got me ready to flip the F out like Fendi. Whatever's in me, it's taking over. I gotta bust it down, break it open, until somebody starts taking notice. Then we rollin', yeah, then we rollin', then we rollin'. Deep pockets on a nigga, I can't find my phone in. Now we rollin', yeah, then we rollin', then we rollin'. Deep pockets on a nigga, I can't find my phone in. Now we rollin'. Look. Back when Big Apple sold dreams, I stuck to my own thing. Back when the house that I own now was my home screen. Before I'd ever hit the road and feel like the home team. Running missions, pyramid schemes just like the Egyptians. Back when hotlines were still flipping. Now I'm seeing money off of hotlines, blinking, but it feels different. Transitions, playing switching, ambition. Minding my business, building a business, etc. Inspired by a few, but my mind really drives itself like Tesla. Always had a little something extra. Back when Corey was our sole investor. And the car could get from A to B, but won't impress ya. Look, I ain't no baller. Still need my accounts longer, like the way my nephew's getting taller. My soundtrack is a second Carter, dreaming of accepting offers and easing tensions. Keeping family out of East attention. And out of Pine Hills Funeral Center, spots we got no business entering. Back when Jill Scott was the apple of my Afrocentric. I had to find a way to get someone's attention. Then we rollin', then we rollin'. Deep pockets on a nigga, I can't find my phone in. Now we rollin', yeah, then we rollin', then we rollin'. Deep pockets on a nigga, I can't find my phone in. Now we rollin'.
Think I'm bitches in a match. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Twerk a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch, hold up. All the niggas on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground, roll up.
Put on, flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21 go get the stick, hold up.
Hold up, hold up. Bitch, I like the ball. Hold up, hold up. Without no weavy ball. Hold up. Bitch, I spit your rent inside the mall. Hold up. She got a nigga, bloody bro, she lost.
Hold up, at this private location. Hold up, put her back in rotation. Hold up, bitches on the immigration. Hold up, going through the translations.
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Twerk a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek. Hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth. Hold up, hold up, you got rainbow on your feet.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up, never let a bitch stress me. Hold up, ain't no motherfucking judge check me. Hold up, I don't give a fuck about no ring.
Hold up, money make my old bitches hate. Hold up, bitch, you still stay on session 8. Hold up, my new bitch wetter than a lake. Hold up, and she love to let me paint her face.
Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up, real them confidential papers up. Hold up, you done made me wake my savage up. Hold up,
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Twerk a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. 10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't